When Windows encounters a catastrophic failure, one that is so bad you can't boot the machine to access the recovery options from inside the operating system, you can use a recovery drive to get the computer back up and running. You have to create this drive yourself though, before a problem occurs, so if you haven't done it yet, now's as good a time as any. To get started, type recovery drive in the search area of the taskbar and click it in the results. I've already done that and I've selected Recovery Drive app. It's open here. Read what's offered on the screen. Note that you can use this recovery drive to reset your computer, to troubleshoot it, or even reinstall it. What it doesn't say is that you need to insert a USB stick that holds at least 8 GB of data and that any existing data on it will be erased. I've inserted a drive. If you haven't, go ahead and do it now if you're following along. Make sure that backup system files to the recovery drive is selected and then click Next. Wait while Windows looks for a drive to use. This could take a minute or two. Once you see a list of available drives, select the one you want and click Next. Note that everything on the drive will be deleted. So if you have any personal files on it, you'll need to make sure those have been backed up before you click Create. When you're ready, click Create. It might take an hour or more, so you might want to find something else to do for a while. Once it finishes, click Finish and then clearly mark the recovery drive on it and store the USB drive in a safe place. If you ever find yourself in a situation where the computer won't boot, all you have to do is insert this drive and try again. The computer will likely boot right to the drive. Troubleshooting options should appear. You can try automatic repair and if that doesn't work, system restore. If you still can't get the computer to start up, choose System Image Recovery. Before you move on, do you have any other computers you manage? Consider making recovery disks for those computers too. Or at the very least, verify System Restore is enabled and backups are in place.